Tasi!
Welcome back to Alphabet Storytime. Today's tale begins with the brilliant, bouncy letter B. Let's say it together. B. 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 Meet Benny the bear. He's brave, bouncy, and loves balloons. He lives in a cozy burrow at the base of Bubble Hill. One breezy morning, Benny had a big idea. I'm going to fly to the top of Bubble Hill with my balloons. He packed his backpack and bounced outside.
Haven't you ready?
On his way up, Benny saw with glee a buzzing bee reading a book by a tree. A banana boat sailed high in the breeze, and a bunny bounced by with a balloon to please.
Finally, Benny reached the top of Bubble Hill. It was bursting with bubbles, butterflies, and a big banner that said, B is for Brave, Bear, and Balloons. What a brilliant balloon ride! Benny the bear showed us how fun the letter B can be. Can you think of more B words? Let's keep exploring.